Christmas is just around the corner. So I'm gonna make myself some mulled wine. I've never done this before, so I hope it's gonna be good. And I don't want to put sugar in it. Maybe it's a mistake. Let me know in the comments. What do we need? Wine, anise, something anise. Ooh, I didn't write how many. I guess one. The best thing ever. Cinnamon. And I don't know how this is called in English because I forgot to translate that. I'll put the recipe in the description as well. 100 milliliters of water and of course some oranges. They say you need one. Cut the orange and we're gonna use half of it for the first part and then we're gonna add the rest. 100 milliliters of water. Now we're going to add the ingredients. Orange, anise, beautiful. Look how nice that looks like. And then, oh, exactly 3. Okay, let's take this. You can, I think you can put more. I mean, why not? The color is pretty nice. Doesn't smell bad. Too dry, too sour. Perfect. We need to cook this, well, 5 to 7 minutes until we can smell the beautiful spices. And then we're gonna start adding the wine. But never boil because the boiling will let the alcohol go away. And we don't want that, do we? It's been around 5 minutes, a little bit more. And now it smells so good. So now it's time to put the wine in. Stir this for around 10 to 15 minutes and making sure it doesn't go into the boil. Definitely enough for one person. However, I checked how I can reheat it. So you can reheat it in the same way. So you just put everything back in here and you can put a bit more of a fresh spices when you reheat. So I did cut the orange, right? So I'm gonna put the fresh one maybe here. I'm really interested in if it's gonna be sweet enough with the orange or it's gonna be totally undrinkable without any sugar at all. Let's put this back for like purposes of design. I cannot drink it when this is here. I mean, it looks nice, but there's no point. Cheers. I can imagine putting like 1 sugar in it, but the orange seems to be pretty sweet. That's actually very good. What else is gonna start the Christmas season than this? Yummy!